Why they don't choose me this American Eagle brand for the jeans? I can't work. Instead of Sydney Sweeney just like being sexual, but she can't work. You know what I mean? That's not fun, bitch. So bored. Don't forget to take my pill. My pill. Watch out. Jiggy bang bang, jiggy bang bang bang. Oh, Alejandro. You live forever with me, mi amor. We had a sneak peek of aftermatch party, lol. Don't get in a fight today. I won't. Listen, Jacob. At the end of the day, whoever wins is these two. The one that I've been rooting since the beginning, but then they met at the final. Argentinian, this is how I see them. They're good for fuck, for having fun. But the way I see Spaniards, they're good for being husband. Because Latinos, you guys fucking cheater, okay? Not all, but like, you know, some. We're too toxic, man. Okay, how do I do this? My ex not gonna like this. Why? Because he knows my type is Spanish. He's like, why are you wearing Spain? Because I'm rooting for them. What the fuck? Yes, I'm rooting for Hispanic. Wait, are you rooting for Spain? Your colonizer, Jacob? Is that? Yes, that's good. Argentina versus España. Yes. You take birth control pill? Yes, I am. You are pretty enough to be a model. I mean, I am a model. Where are you going? To the pub. Hola, we had. Alright, guys, I am going soon. Hala Madrid. Hala Madrid. Why when I brush? What is I brush for? He called me babe. Stop fucking! You're moaning too loud. It was like, and then it's like, look at me, and it's like, you hear that? He was making that. Your hair before much better. Straight hair don't fit you. It because the outfit. Shut up. The beer's on me. I pay for it. Whoever win. Hello, live. Hello? Hey, can you meet Neville? I don't fucking know. Rooftop. Hey, I'm on my way there. I don't think I can bring the blender. It's still dirty.
Do you have any cash?
Yes, I do.
Can you give me a couple beers?
Can I give you a couple beers?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to do what I said then, since I'm the master.
Yes, missus.
The fuck did you say?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. That's so gay.
Hey, listen.
Mm.
You buying me drinks is because you love and care about me, and you respect me, and you realize that I'm gonna be a billionaire. So you're just like.
Fuck you. Even when you're a billionaire, I can still block you. How about that, man? It's not about fucking money, okay?
Okay, then just buy me a drink then. Instead of making it a submission thing. Don't make me get.
Okay, then buy me a drink then. Can you fucking be nice?
I'm being nice.
I'm buying you a fucking drink. Okay, I know it's nothing, but
If you go to the Circle K, they got 2 Bintang RX, 2 for 50K.
man, why do we drink beers? It's so fucking lame. You know I don't like fucking drinking beer. I wanna have cocktails again. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, let's have a shot. Shot.
Alright, then go buy a bottle.
Man, why bottle?
It's cheap. If you go to the bar, it's expensive.
No, because if we buy the bottle, it's gonna be all for me. Huh? I'm not gonna share with you. You wish.
Huh?
Come on, man. Don't let me buy the bottle. You know how much I love tequila. Ay ay ay.
Tequila.
Huh?
Yeah, buy a bottle of tequila.
Yeah, I can. Should I?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Buy a bottle of tequila.
For us, no.
Yeah.
I like it when the bartender do it, man. Let's spend the money. I'm rich. Don't worry.
Yeah. Just come over here, okay? But buy me a couple drinks on your way. So I'm almost out. I bought a drink for myself.
You cannot bring the drink from outside. You know that.
Just drink 1 or 2 drinks at my apartment first. It's called pre-drinking, girl.
Hell, Liam. I wanna get shot. Right? Can you please pick him up? He's scared outside. He's like, Queen, where are you? Come on. He's the girl, not me.
Just come to G115. Come to my apartment. But hurry, I don't want to be here too long to.
Ah, come on, just kiss him a little bit.
Hey.
Okay, unlock the door. Unlock the goddamn door.
Alright. Like, go to the. When you get to the beer place, buy from there, okay?
Wait, from the elevator, is that first floor or ground floor? Your unit. It's G, right? From the lift.
Ground floor, yeah.
What else?
Huh?
What else do you need?
Just some drinks.
Okay. You're lucky I'm rich.
Thank you. Thank you, sweetie.
No, thank you, sugar mommy said. Oh, thank you, master. Say thank you, master.
Thank you, beautiful.
Thank you, master said. Or I'm not gonna buy you, man.
Yeah. Thank you, Master Ali.
Do you have friends that I can make a bet with over this game? So I can make more money?
No.
Man, you guys lame.
At the bar, you can.
Why at the bar? I don't want to pay if I lose at the bar directly. It should be online. That's how the bets are, man. Mm-hmm. You don't have money?
No, that was it.
You liar. Okay.